Wakobecha ve ukoko osiesu Urhobo. Ukoko osiesu Urhobo. Welcome you to our tutorial today. None na weke yone kwa obese na eta uvo. Today we are going to teach the topic called vowels. Ve Urhobo avevi eta uvo ivle. In Urhobo we have 7 vowels, which are a, e, dot at the bottom of the a to make it a, e, o, dot at the bottom of the o to make it o. Lastly, we have u. Ave charge ve ujeje ibie tanana wo we irieta ke unwa sene wangi obo megonota. Also, we are going to use this vowels alphabet to make example in sentences for you to understand what I'm about to teach you. We have A for ami. Ami means water. We have again A for asa. Asa means place. We have again A for ada. Ada means place as well, but in this aspect of asa, it also means travel. Okay, hope you understand me. Eta nanawakiwawa. I will make example of these words for you guys. These are the examples in sentence. Ke, ve, ke, kewa, kewa, kewe, kewami, kewe, ami, a, mi, kewe, ami, kewami, ne, kewe, ami, give me water, kewami, give me water, kewe, ami, give me water. And again, asa, vo, wo, ne, cha, cha. Where are you coming from? You getting me? Or me na da cha. I'm coming from somewhere. Okay, this will be the end of the example of a. Maybe in our next tutorials we'll come up with the example of a and the rest vowels. Thank you. God bless you. Remember to like our page and join our Facebook group Ukoko Isiesu Urhobo.